Let's move on to next command, that is scale. But before that, let me draw some objects. Let me draw a rectangle of 100, 80. Okay, 100, 80. Let me draw one more line here. Okay, let the length of the length of the line be 200. Okay, yes, 200 length line. Let me change the color. Select the line, right click, go to quick properties, change the color to red. Okay, yes. Now scale. Go to scale. The shortcut key for scale is SC. Enter. Select the object. Enter. Now specify base point. It is asking us to select the base point. So suppose if I select this as my base point, then how the scale is being done? See, from about this base point, the scale will be done. Now it is asking the scale factor. Okay, scale factor. Scale factor. Scale factor is nothing but if the scale factor is greater than 1, then the scaled object, the new entity will be bigger than the original one. And the scale factor is less than 1, then the scaled object will be smaller than the original one. Okay, let me do 2. Scale factor I have taken as 2, and here you can see one option is there. As of now, see the original object, original rectangle is not highlighting. Okay, but if I select copy, then you can see it will be highlighted now. Okay, yes. Now let me do scale factor of 2. So if the scale factor is 2, enter, you will see that this is the rectangle, this is another rectangle of double size. The length and breadth of this rectangle was 100 cross 80, and the length and breadth of this particular bigger rectangle is 200 cross 160. I hope you got my point. Let me erase this, undo this. I have undo scale. Now let me copy this one. Go to copy, select object, enter. Why I am doing this? See, now I will change my base point. Go to scale, select object. After selecting the object, you have to press enter. Yes. So this is my base point. Okay. Let me do scale factor of 1.5. Scale factor. Copy so that my original will also be there. So 1.5. Enter. Now you can see it is 1.5 times. Now let me change my base point for this particular example. Select object, enter. Base point, let me choose this as my base point, the geometric center. So left click. Now scale factor is 1.5 and I am not copying the, means I am not selecting this copy. Enter. So you can see that the original object got deleted and the scaled object is showing. I pressed undo, that is Ctrl Z, SC, enter, select object, enter. This is the base point. Let me copy this time. Copy. Scale factor is 1.5. Enter. Now you can see about this base point. The base point was geometric center. So about the base point, that is geometric center, this rectangle got mirrored. I hope this is very much clear to you. So this is how scale command works. Okay, let me erase this. Let me erase this. Now go to scale, SC, enter, select the object, enter. Now select this as my base point. Okay, this is the base point. Now you can see one more option is there, reference. Reference. Go to reference. Now it is asking the reference length. Select this as the reference length. Okay. Yes. The base of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle, that will be that is the reference length. So left click here. Again, left click here. Okay. The end point of it. And now it is asking, once you select the reference length means what? Either reference length you can choose from the window. We have to choose from the window, the reference length. Okay. So now it is asking the new length. So that's the new length. Suppose if I drag my mouse up to this point, that is end point of this line, then the base of the rectangle, okay, the rectangle, this rectangle will be scaled in such a way that the length of the rectangle will be equal to that particular line. I hope you got my point. See, let me draw one more line. Let me tell you that option again. Okay, let me draw a line of let's say 40. Now you might not see that line, but a line is there. I have drawn a vertical line. Can you see that? Yes, I have drawn a vertical line of some length. Let me change the color of it so that you can see. Go to quick properties, yellow in color. Okay, now go to scale, enter, select the object, select this object, enter. We have to select the base point. Let's say this is the base point. Okay, this is the base point. Okay, yes. Now go to reference, select the reference length. Reference length is nothing but which length of the, okay, which dimension of the rectangle you want to change. So this dimension I want to change as per this particular line, yellow line, as per this particular yellow line. So that, see, the new length is asking. So this new length will be up to this point. So you can see the width dimension of this rectangle will become equal to this particular vertical line, which is yellow in color. This will be very useful once we do that insert command. Okay, we will be inserting lots of objects, lots of predefined objects which are available in the Autodesk library. In that case, we will be using this particular scale reference command, and inside the scale there is a reference. Okay, that command will be mostly useful.